Modern manufacturing moves at a relentless pace. When production lines operate at high speeds, decisions delayed by a few minutes can result in thousands of dollars in wasted materials or compromised quality. But on the factory floor, operations often remain surprisingly disjointed. Isolated machines run without communicating, quality testing happens in silos, and operators manually transcribe data. This fragmentation creates blind spots across the entire facility. To understand how we solve this, welcome to a technical breakdown presented by Drew's Tech Online. We are looking at the M0N0 Configurable Industrial Data Platform, a specialized network architecture designed to connect these stranded assets. Competing in today's industrial landscape requires closing that operational gap entirely. Every physical action on the floor must be matched with immediate digital oversight. The process starts at the network's edge. We capture raw signals directly from Siemens SIMATIC PLCs and energy meters. These localized signals are routed through secure industrial gateways, acting as strict checkpoints, ensuring only validated telemetry reaches the centralized storage servers. Once transmitted, an SQL server historian receives the telemetry. This acts as an immutable vault, logging thousands of live data points per second with precise timestamps. What began as rapid, unstructured voltage drops and mechanical pulses is now a clean, organized, and secure historical dataset ready to be analyzed. This interface is the production SCADA layer, built directly from that stored data. It gives operators an immediate view of real-time variables like line speed, motor temperature, and overall machine status on a heavy motor line. If a supervisor uses this interface to execute a command, that action doesn't bypass safety protocols. It remains strictly bound by the hardwired safety interlocks built into the PLC, preventing equipment damage. This real-time graph tracks the utility side of the operation. By mapping active power usage, power factor, and isolating harmonic anomalies across the factory chillers, we can pinpoint exact areas of energy waste. By putting the production metrics and utility consumption side by side, we establish a true operational baseline, revealing exactly how much power is required to produce a single unit of product. We carry this precision over to the physical logistics. By installing connected electronic scales at the weighing stations, we completely eliminate manual data entry when dealing with heavy materials like these wooden cable drums. The moment the drum settles, the exact weight and the current shift data automatically sync straight into the central database. No human transcription is required. Further down the line, fiber optic quality test results are generated. The system digitally stitches those test metrics to the exact batch identity of that specific cable. This combined information, the weight, the quality test results, and the batch strings, is then seamlessly pushed upward into the factory's ERP integration layer. A continuous digital thread now exists for every single item. You have complete, auditable traceability, tracking the product from the initial sales order all the way through to final dispatch. This visual is a thermal map of a motor core. By analyzing long-term thermal trends and minute variations in motor vibration telemetry, the system can identify a stress fracture zone weeks before a failure occurs. When an issue is detected, the workflow is entirely paperless. The system automatically routes maintenance requests to smart screens and sends mobile notifications directly to the appropriate supervisor. Scheduling a brief, planned intervention prevents a massive, unexpected breakdown later. This shift from reactive firefighting to proactive maintenance directly maximizes the factory's total output capacity. All of these individual pipelines, the energy tracking, the quality metrics, and the SCADA telemetry ultimately converge into a single, centralized IIoT digital twin. This digital twin serves as the definitive, governed source of truth for the entire manufacturing operation, accessible from a single management interface. By removing the need to reconcile conflicting reports from different departments, managers can act on this data with total confidence. It ensures that critical operational adjustments are based on precise, real-time evidence rather than guesswork. The next step involves artificial intelligence. We are preparing to train future AI models on this verified big data to enable highly accurate anomaly forecasting. But safety boundaries are absolute. Any operational recommendation generated by an AI model will always remain strictly subordinate to the physical PLC safety interlocks. The M0N0 platform takes isolated, legacy machinery and weaves it into a thoroughly connected, intelligent operation. Thank you for joining this breakdown. Remember, measure to manage, manage to maximize.